Haha Wallet Airdrop, Monad Ecosystem, Listing Date. Haha Wallet is a next-generation smart crypto wallet designed for NFT and cryptocurrency traders. With account abstraction technology, it enables users to manage all their wallets using a single recovery phrase, ensuring safety through non-custodial storage and private key security on the device. Key features include Haha Swap, offering better exchange rates, reducing gas fees by up to $1 for certain Ethereum transactions, and an upcoming automated limit order feature. The project's quest system allows users to earn karma points by completing tasks. These points can be exchanged for project tokens in the future. Haha Wallet has announced its launch on the Monad testnet soon, promising attractive benefits for its community. What is Haha Wallet? Haha Wallet is a smart Monad L1 crypto wallet designed for traders and NFT enthusiasts, developed as part of the Monad ecosystem. The wallet focuses on providing a seamless mobile trading experience through account abstraction technology, allowing users to manage their digital assets efficiently. The wallet offers essential features including buying, sending, and exchanging digital assets, NFT management, price alerts, and portfolio tracking. Built with security in mind, Haha Wallet maintains a non-custodial approach, ensuring users retain full control of their assets while benefiting from built-in scam protection and real-time notifications. Haha Wallet Airdrop details. Haha Wallet has launched an airdrop campaign that rewards users with karma points for completing various tasks and daily activities. The airdrop is currently active and allows participants to accumulate points through regular engagement with the wallet and its social media channels. The airdrop includes multiple tasks ranging from basic wallet setup, daily tasks, referrals to social media engagement, with each activity offering different karma point rewards. Users can increase their earning potential through a multiplier system, which provides additional benefits for completing specific actions. Step-by-step guide. How to participate in the Haha Wallet airdrop. 1. Download and install Haha Wallet. Visit Haha's official website. This link will provide you with 5 extra karma points. Click on the Chrome extension button and install the wallet on your browser. You can also install the mobile apps later on. 2. Create your account. Register using your email address and verify. If not autofilled, fill the invite/referral code field with ABU ZEEK2R to get 5 extra karma points. Set up a new wallet. Securely store your seed phrase. 3. Access karma and quests. Open the wallet. Click on Settings gear icon. Select Karma and Quests. 4. Complete basic tasks. Verify your email address. 1 karma. Create or recover a wallet. 2 karma. Add a widget to your home screen on mobile. 2 karma. Optional. 5. Connect social accounts. Link your Discord account. Join the Haha server. Connect your Twitter X account. Follow and tweet about Haha Wallet. 6. Perform daily activities. Check in daily, 10 karma per day. Link exchanges or external wallets. 2 karma. Optional. Use your legacy wallet for blockchain interactions. Up to 10 karma per day. Optional. 7. Invite friends. Navigate to Settings, gear icon, and click on Refer Friends. Earn 50 karma points for every friend you refer. The user you invited will earn 5 karma points. Note, invitees must hold the LV2 noob role for the inviter to receive the karma reward. Maximizing your rewards. Complete all available tasks to increase your lifetime karma. Maintain daily check-ins for consistent point accumulation. Achieve higher levels to unlock better multipliers. To connect all supported social accounts for additional rewards. Refer as many friends as you can. Additional features. For iOS users, add lock screen widgets. 2 karma. Set up Apple Watch complications. 2 karma. Advantages of playing Haha Wallet. Why are many people interested in using Haha Wallet? Here are some of the advantages. 1. Free tokens every day. Through daily promo codes and airdrops, airdrop players can get free tokens regularly. 2. simple and user-friendly application. Haha Wallet is designed with an interface that is easy to understand, even for beginners in the crypto world. 3. Guaranteed security. This platform uses blockchain technology to ensure all transactions are safe and transparent. 4. Active community. Many airdrop players share promo codes and tips on social media, so you won't miss the latest information. When is the listing? One of the most awaited things is when the Haha Wallet token will be officially listed on the exchange. Based on the latest information from the development team, the token's scheduled to be listed on Q3 of 2025. After listing, airdrop players can start trading the tokens they have collected so far. So, this is the right moment to continue collecting tokens from now on. Conclusion. Haha Wallet is a platform that is worth trying, especially for those of you who want to get to know the world of crypto without having to spend a lot of capital. With daily promo codes, free token airdrops, and plans to list on exchanges, the opportunity to gain profits is wide open. Frequently asked questions. What are karma points? Karma points are the reward system used by Haha Wallet to track user engagement and participation. These points may be considered for future token allocations or rewards. How do I check my karma balance? Access the Karma and Quest section through the Settings menu to view your lifetime karma, available karma, and current multiplier. What is the multiplier system? The multiplier system increases your earning potential by providing bonus rewards. You can achieve a 2x multiplier by connecting your social accounts and completing specific tasks. How often can I earn karma? Many tasks provide one-time rewards, while others, like daily check-ins and legacy wallet usage, can be completed daily for continuous earning.